So, how has photosynthesis been going?
You know, just the usual. Making carbohydrates.
Oh, that's pretty neat. How does that work?
Well, it's actually a lot more complicated than you would think. First, I take in light energy from the sun, as well as carbon dioxide and water. Then, the chemical reaction, photosynthesis, occurs inside me, and glucose and oxygen are created for the cell that I work for.
I get the water and the carbon dioxide, but how does the light energy get stored?
Let me explain. Inside this chloroplast, there's a substance called the stroma, where the organelle's chemical reactions take place. Inside the stroma, there's stacks of discs, and each disc is called a thylakoid. The chlorophyll molecules on the surface of the thylakoid store light energy and produce carbohydrates.
And a common form of carbohydrates is glucose, right?
Exactly. Another type of plastid is the chromoplast, and that's what gives cells such a variety of color. The chromoplasts accumulate red, yellow, and orange pigments, and chromoplasts and chloroplasts both come from a special type of plastid called the proplast.
Are there any other types of plastids?
Yeah, there's the leucoplast, which stores lipids and proteins. But even after all of these different plastids work, the glucose in the cell is not in its usable form. It still has to get converted into
ATP. That's where us mitochondria come in. We take glucose and we convert it into ATP.
Waiter, check please.
Here you go. I got it. I'm feeling pretty generous today.
Nah, it's okay. I should be paying. I'm feeling so alive with all this photosynthesis.
You're not the one with the extra ATP around, it's me, the mitochondria.
Yeah, but to do your job, you need chloroplast, don't you? Last time I checked, you can't do anything with just light energy.
Well, I have a double membrane.
So do I.
Oh, there's only one way to settle this.
A rap battle. I should get the check because you always give too much. You're always busy making ATP and such. But I have a job too. I'm a species of plant cells, and I work really well in the field of photosynthesis. I am known for this. I have powers that you can't even comprehend. I can make glucose from the sun, and water and CO2, that's my recipe for you mitochondria to make your renowned ATP. I have a double membrane, but so do you. So I guess that's something that's not really new. It's just a rare trait that we both possess. So listen up close, and I'll tell you the rest. We both have DNA. DNA is something that we both can say, but there's something that I have that you can't say that you have too. So sit down and listen, and maybe you'll learn something new.
You say you can get the check. Well, I give cells the energy they need to help them function, work, and succeed. I have a double membrane. Organelles call it insane. Let's start with the outer membrane. It starts off nice and strong, but then the inner membrane comes along. It has folds called cristae, and you could picture it like a very bendy highway. But these cristae aren't just for design. They're here with a specific job in mind, to help proteins such as cytochromes to work efficiently and brilliantly with visually resiliency. I hope I helped you visually to see what it does. Now it is time for my main purpose. I make ATP. It's something, ATP. I am located in the cytoplasm. You can't even imagine or even fathom of what I have to author. Of the book Adenosine Triphosphate, you could say that I'm the author. I am, you may ask what this process is called. Enjoy your exploration. This process is called cellular respiration. And we all work as a cellular family. I make 2 ATP and make 30. So you could say we're a cellular family. Fricka fresh.
Yeah.
Word. Done.